Are you tired of reading self-help books that make you feel good, but still leave you right where you started? It's not because you're broken. It's because real, permanent improvement takes more than just inspiration. It takes more than just information. It takes continuous, deliberate action. That is exactly why I created the Path of the Warrior Spirit, a personalized one-on-one program for those who are ready to reclaim control of their mind, their emotions, and their life. If my book or any of my videos have ever resonated with you, it's not a coincidence. This is your next step. But this isn't for people who are looking for a pity party. I don't tolerate emotional or energetic vampires. I work with people who are ready to do the inner work and win, because success is the only acceptable option. Every client receives a free copy of my book and personalized coaching tailored to their specific mindset, their mental and emotional blocks, and their goals. But if you don't have any goals, don't worry about it. We'll work on that together. I can only take on a limited number of clients, obviously, because I have to put in a lot of my time and effort into every individual I'm coaching. So if you are serious about real improvement, now is the time. Click on the link in the description or go to the website yourhumanmanual.com and sign up today. The doors are closing soon. Step up like a warrior, and I'll see you on the inside.